out these really nice side cabinets that I received the other day for reviewing purposes. As you can see, it comes really well protected with foam. All the pieces that must be wrapped comes in this plastic wrap, and each piece comes really well in nice package, which I think that it's great. So let me start taking everything out, start assembling it, and let's see how it looks once it is all assembled up. Okay, come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the proper assembly process is actually really simple, which is something that I find nice, because the instruction manual is clear with each step by step, and all the pieces comes labeled, and it comes with all the hardware that you're gonna need, which I think that it's perfect. And this multifunctional storage cabinet features one large drawer, 3 open shelves, and a double door cabinet with some adjustable shelves, so you can store all your items of all the different sizes for your customized storage needs. It can be ideal as a coffee bar, an entry cabinet, or for storing all your kitchenware, ranging from dishes, spices, or any kind of pottery. Or it could even use as a bathroom essentials to storage towels or toiletry. This wooden storage unit can adapt to any kind of lifestyle that you need, which I think that it's nice. And its minimalist design blends rustic character with a coastal cottage or modern farmhouse style. And the barn-inspired silhouette adds a really nice appeal. It's available in different colors, so it's perfect for any space that you want to place it in. The rectangular design handles are really nice because they are coupled with a comfortable feel in the hand. It has some high quality metal hinges that gives a really easy to open and close motion, and the storage cabinet features adjustable shelves, offering plenty of space to storage items of different sizes. Okay guys, and now that it's all already set it up, I placed it in here, so I think it's a nice way where we can place a vault with our keys, stuff like that, for all the important stuff when we arrive at our house. In here, we have a really spacious drawer in here where we can place any kind of books, notes, notebooks, whatever we need in here. We also have two magnetic closing doors, which I think that it's nice. You can see in here we have the magnets. Both of them have a shelf inside that can be adjusted the height, which I think that it's really helpful. And in here we have three also spaces where we can stuff anything that we need, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, as you can see, it has a really beautiful design that I think is going to blend perfectly where you want to place it, in your living room, entryway like this, or wherever you want to install it. I think that it's really nice. You can also anchor it upon the wall so it doesn't move or anything like that, which I think that it's great. And overall, I like it a lot, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.